Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can set emergency contacts on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone and you're going to find advanced feature settings. So this is the advanced features and then you can click on it. And if we want to set emergency contacts on our Android, we can activate this toggle button. This send SOS messages. Make sure that you click on this button to activate it. Okay, and after that, we can click on create contact, or we can also select from our contacts. But for me, I'm just going to create contact, and I'm going to add my dad number phone. Then we can type the number phone right here, and after we are done, we're going to click on the save button. Okay, and if you want to add another contact for emergency contact, you can click on this plus button, and if you want to delete it, you can simply click on this delete button. Okay guys, and that's how we can set emergency contacts on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.